Your homework is that every day when we tell you na, do learning, do learning, do learning, I understand that sometimes you get confused. What should I learn? Where should I start from? I understand that a lot of people face this question. So you start like this. First of all, you understand about the profile of the company. What is the profile of the company? You must know that on which social media we have how many followers. What is it that the company has been doing? Who are the people that our founder has been catching up with? Okay, all of you have heard about Akash Institute that helps you for JEE or this NEET exams, basically prelims, mains, IIT, JEE. Yeah. So the founder of Akash Institute and Akash Medical Care, Mr. JC Chaudhary, he was there in our office. Our founder had a podcast with him. You all have heard about Go Ibibo? Red Bus Go Ibibo? You have all heard about it? I will tell you more. Wait. That the founder of Go Ibibo was here in our office. Mr. Ashish Chaudhary was here in our office. The founder of IND Money, Go Ibibo and all. Aryan Tripathi, the founder of Edemize. Anubhav Dubey, the founder of Chai Sutta Bar. Arjun Deshpande, the founder of Generic Aadhaar, who basically created a company of 500 crore rupees at the age of 21 years. Got funded by Ratan Tata ji. These are the people that our founder is regularly hanging out with. Right? There was an event that happened in Delhi called Manthan at a place called Bharat Mandapam, where 40 YouTubers from all over India were invited. Ankur Wariko was there. What do you call this? Technical Guruji was there. Abhi and New were there, and a lot of people, for top 40 YouTubers of the country were there. Our former this youth and sports minister was there, Mr. Anurag. Our founder was invited there also. Our founder was exclusively invited to Prime Minister Narendra Modi's swearing ceremony in Delhi as well. You all have seen that reel? This is the profile of the company. iDigitalpreneur started when? 18 December 2020. iDigitalpreneur has distributed more than 25 crore rupees in 2023. iDigitalpreneur is present in 4 countries: UAE, Bangladesh, Nepal, and India. iDigitalpreneur has been the sole organizer of India's biggest youth festival, where 18,000 students were there under one roof, being trained by the best entrepreneurs and best faces from the startup culture. This is the profile of the company. How will you learn about the profile of the company? You will go Google all the news about the company. You will see where what platforms we are featured at. Our founder is a TEDx speaker. Our founder is a Josh Talk speaker. Our founder has shared stage with Parmesh Verma. Our founder has been the main organizer at Astitva. Our founder is also a Spotify verified artist. Understanding? Our founder has over 1.27 million subscribers on YouTube. If you know all of this information, don't you think you will be able to deal with the question that says that this company might be a scam? All that you need to do is know the profile of the company. Because once you'll have this information on your fingertips, you will grill the people who will ask you questions. Literally grill. Know the profile of the company. That brings me to the next P, which is the product of the company. Sad part is that a lot of people who complain, if I select them and unmute their mic, and if I ask them about 5 products from iDigitalpreneur, they will not be able to give me the product description. Ask it to yourself. If I name 5 courses and if I ask you about instructors of these 5 courses, do you know the names? That is the problem, my friend. What are you selling? How can you sell something that you are not informed about? How will you prove? Have you seen the Bollywood movies in which there is a criminal case, and then there is this husband for whom nobody is ready to fight the case, and the wife comes into picture and says, I will fight the case for my husband. We've all seen such movies. And that wife ends up winning. How? Because that wife knows her husband inside out. That is how you win an argument. You know everything. How will you understand the product? Every day, every single day, you'll pick up one product. I'm telling you the exact strategy to do the proper learning also. Every day, you will pick up one product. For example, you picked up podcasting, or you picked up YouTube automation, or you picked up video editing. Okay. You will do every research about that particular skill and that particular product. That today I am picking up video editing. I want to know who is the editor. Monish Ved is the editor. Yeah, I will pick up Google Ads. I will know who's the instructor. I will know everybody. If I will pick up Facebook Ads Method course, I will know Aryan Tripathi is the person behind creating this course. Right? You will know the courses. You will know the instructors. Then you will go and Google and find out facts about that skill. What is the demand and scope of video editing? How many video editors are there in 2024 in India? What is the average income that a video editor can earn by starting video editing as a beginner? Do you know YouTube content creators on YouTube, the creators economy from YouTube contributed 6,800 rupees. No, sorry, 6,800 crore rupees to India's GDP in 2020. YouTube has created and contributed 6,800 crore rupees to India's GDP. Guys, come on. 114 million active YouTube channels are there in the world. Those 114 million people are looking for video editors. Good video editors. I know this fact because I researched about this fact. You will know this fact when you will research about this fact. So every day, pick up one product, start doing the research on that product, maintain a diary, have a diary, write down 3Ps research. Write down the profile of the company, write down the course name and do the research. Whenever you are on a closing call, have your diary in front of you. Read that diary so many times that you know everything about the company inside out. Getting it? Everyone, you know how to study about the product? Do you know the Google Ads course that is there in iDigitalpreneur is produced by someone who has worked 10 years in Google? Like any other company in this country, we are not just bringing anybody to create any course for you. The music production course that we have recently introduced is produced and created by Zelix. Zelix is signed by T-Series. T-Series is world's most followed YouTube channel. Understanding? This is the quality of courses. If you'll go and check out Zelix profile, you will see that he has a reel in collaboration with T-Series. It is not a joke. Getting it? Everyone, you know how to research about the product? Because guys, we have 38 plus courses which are indirectly 38 plus money-making ways. Respect each one of them. That is when you'll be able to sell them properly. Then comes the plan of the company. You know the commission structure. There is a PDF called All About iDigitalpreneur, the brief PDF. Scroll that PDF and put your eyes on that PDF every day before you sit to work. Once every day. Just don't read it. Don't read it. Read it once, but scroll it every day. You should know what your company comprises of. Then there is this PDF on the website called the guideline PDF. I would recommend you, everybody says in the company, download that PDF and read. I would recommend you to download that PDF and take a printout. Take a printout of that. Amazing. I can see Sandeep showing me the printout of the PDF. So proud of you. This is how you're supposed to be doing. Take a PDF printout, take a printout of the PDF, read it line by line. Do you know what is the tagline of the guideline PDF? It says the only sponsor you need. You literally need nobody else. Nobody. Once you read the guideline PDF. In fact, once you will download the PDF, at the very last page of the PDF, there is a feedback section also. In case you have a doubt that is not mentioned in the PDF, go write down that doubt there. And the company will add the solution to the updated version of the PDF. Have you ever heard any company doing so much? You should be on your toes to battle the arguments. And if somebody comes to me and talks to me about Idealpreneur, I can go and give it in written that I can beat anyone in this argument. I know the company so well. And I want each one of you to know the company so damn well. Got it? Got it, everyone? Okay. Now's the time that so once you will see all about Idealpreneur PDF, once you will see what exactly you're supposed to be doing, and you'll read everything line by line, you will understand the plan also. Right? Now I want to tell you and ask you all that sometimes we get confused that what exactly is affiliate marketing? What am I doing? What am I supposed to be doing? Is it credible? Is it something that I should be investing my time on? Is it something worth it? Everybody has this question, correct? Let me simplify it for you right here, right now. Imagine this is a pen. This is a pen. Okay. This pen was, let's suppose, made up of, it costed 5 rupees to make. Let's imagine it costed 5 rupees. It is a Parker pen, imagine. And it costed 5 rupees to make. But in the market, this pen is being sold for 70 rupees. In the market, this pen is cost and sold for 70 rupees. Why? Because a person who produced it, the person who produced it could not go door to door. So he hired a distributor, national level. National level distributor said, I will not do it for free for you. You give me money. Correct? National distributor hired a regional distributor. Regional distributor said the same. I will not do it for free. Give me money. Okay, money. Now both of them came back and said, ki, okay, we cannot distribute unless you run an ad on television. We need Shah Rukh Khan to come and say that extra marks for good handwriting. Right? So Shah Rukh Khan said that I need 5 crore rupees. I will not say this. Now 5 crore rupees would be divided by all the units that the company is planning to produce and sell through this one advertisement. And that cost will also be added to the final MRP that is going to be decided for this pen. Correct? Then there will be retailers, wholesalers, retailers who will keep the stock in bulk and then small quantities. Then this pen will be purchased by you and me at 70 rupees. But how much was it made for? 5 rupees. Correct? Now, all that Idealpreneur decided was, we have a 5 rupees pen. The market value of this pen is 70 rupees. Okay. We will sell this pen at 50 rupees. But this 45 rupees extra that is going to be here, we will distribute that money, keeping a fragment. We will distribute that rest of the money to as many households as we can. If a student comes to me and says, I want to buy this pen and I want to start studying with this pen, I will tell that student, ki, just because you are so vibrant and you are so interested in learning, I want to tell you that if anybody comes to you and asks you that your pen looks very nice, you write very well, where did you buy this pen from? And if you tell anybody and ask them to buy this pen from here and they buy it through you, I will give you the itna percent margin on the pen that we have sold. So instead of 5 households, the household of national distributor, household of regional distributor, household of the retailer, household of Shah Rukh Khan, and household of the wholesaler, we decided to put money to 2 lakh plus individuals' house. This is what we do. Thing number one. Thing number two, you understood the concept? Why is the company able to distribute so much of commission? Because we are not even producing pen. Because if we were producing pen, the 5 rupee would cost us every time. We will have to pay that 5 rupee every time. We are selling courses. We created that course that costed us money only once. Every time the course is being sold, we are not incurring a cost. If a course took 5 lakh rupees to be made, we paid that 5 lakh rupees already. Now the course is ours. And we can sell that course to as many people as we want. And anybody who's helping us to resell that course to anyone, that person deserves a decent commission. And that is how iDistributepreneur is able to pay such high-end commissions to people. Got it? Now coming on. You all use Instagram and YouTube. You all must have seen videos of girls showing, this is my lipstick shade. If you want to buy this, the link is in my bio or use my promo code. You have seen? This is the skin color foundation. Or you must have seen guys doing the beard oil thing, the gel thing and all of that, right? What do you think? When you buy through their promo code and get 10% off, what do they get? They get more face washes? No, they get money. Right? That is called affiliate marketing. If you go to YouTube, you see ki there is a YouTube streaming video somebody has put up. And in that streaming video, they will be like, oh, I was talking about that. If you also want to know how to invest your money, you can download this application from the link in my description. If 100 people are downloading that application through that link, that referral code, and even 50 people are making their first transaction or first investment on that application, that person who made that video is getting money because he or she is doing affiliate marketing. Now the challenge is that brands approach only big creators for affiliate marketing. You have to have audience to sell to people. If you will not have people, who will you sell to? You need people, na? iDistributepreneur helps you build from scratch. We help you build an audience first. We help you learn through the YouTube automation course from the man who has created himself 1.27 million subscribers. We help you build that audience on your Instagram. Do I need to tell you how many influencers are there in iDistributepreneur's own office, including me? Do I need to tell you how many of our affiliates have more than 50,000 followers on their Instagram? How did they all learn it? Even if one reel went viral, how did it go viral? With everything that has been taught in the trainings, text has to be written like this, frame has to be set like this is the colors, this is the transition you have to use, this is the code you have to use to get viral. How did that happen? That happened in a way, my friends, that it was done at home first, then it was taught at extended family. Got it? So this is what affiliate marketing is. Anybody who comes to you and says anything stupid, you know how to deal with it. If you don't know the concept, let me give you world's biggest example. A lot of people in this training definitely follow Virat Kohli. I can see girls having this huge smile. I can see this huge smile on oh my God. Very nice. Yeah. So most of us follow Virat Kohli. Have you seen him putting up stories for Puma? This is a Puma shoe. Use my code Virat 80. Virat Kohli is also doing affiliate marketing. FYI, for your information. Because when you use the code Virat 80, that purchase counts as a purchase made through Virat Kohli. And on every sale made, Virat Kohli also earns a commission. So boom, Virat Kohli doing affiliate marketing. I thought it was a scam. You know, now guys, when you observe and when you're aware about what you're doing, and when you look around, you will always have good things to use. You will always have good examples to give. You will have good things to set up in context. And how do you set up a context? You set up a context when you're well aware with something. So keep your eyes, your ears, and your understanding open. Done? Got it? Everyone? Fantastic. So this was our 3 P's. You understand the process now. You understand the plan. You understand product. You understand the profile. Got it? You also know how will you start doing your learning. Moving on. Everybody who's from Hindi language, if you are here, 10 days training program is what you have to watch compulsorily. If you understand Hindi, 10 days training program is what you have to watch. We are bringing up 10 days training program in English very, very, very soon. We are bringing 10 days training program in Tamil very, very, very soon. Okay. You already have trainings in Telugu, Tamil, Hindi, English. You know that? Correct? We are doing the best that we can. In order to do what? To make you all have all the assistance that you need, that you do not even have to think about the complaints. Got it? Now you know what iDistributepreneur does. iDistributepreneur helps you become capable of earning through anything and everything. We don't provide a job, guys. We don't promise a job that you enroll in iDistributepreneur, we'll be providing you a job. We don't do that. You enroll in iDistributepreneur and we make you job or freelance worthy. Correct? Moving on. So guys, there's a very, very important thing that I want to talk to you about. Today is the 23rd. On 27th of this month, I'm going to take a session. Okay. Please put your diaries, close your diaries, because there is something very, very important that I want to share with each one of you. On 27th of this month, I'm going to take a session. Okay. In that session, I am going to talk about everything. Why iDistributepreneur? Why iDistributepreneur? You must have invited a lot of people by now. You must have had a word with a lot of people right now. You must have explained iDistributepreneur to a lot of people who must not have enrolled with you. There must be a lot of people on your follow-up. There must be a lot of people who watch your statuses, but they have not enrolled with you. There must be a lot of people that you might not have explained about iDistributepreneur at all, but they watch your stories. What am I going to do on the 27th? I'm not going to tell unless everybody in the session opens their camera. Otherwise, the session is over, guys. Very good. Great. So, everybody who's watching your status, everybody who's on your follow-up, everybody that you have explained iDistributepreneur to and has not enrolled with you, you make them sit in the session on the 27th. You will get resources from the company. You will get videos from the company. You have to upload those videos on your Instagram stories, on your WhatsApp stories, or promote them as and how you like. Done? Bring people to 27th session and leave everything else to me. Everything else. Can you all take out 3 days, 24th, 25th, 26th? Can you all take out 3 days and do maximum invitations? Bring in maximum people and make maximum people sit in the session of 27th, because I assure you to, witness unbelievable results on that day. Only if we have maximum people from your side into the session. Got it? Everyone? Got it? All of you all? The time will be 7 p.m. You will be informed about it well in advance. But 27th is the day. Got it? Everybody that is on your follow-up, everybody that you have had a word with, everybody who said anything to you about iDistributepreneur, bring them on. Done? Done? Then on the 10th of next month, or maybe even before that, but mostly on the 10th of next month, I am going to train you all in invitation, word by word, step by step. How exactly are you going to make your first call with an individual that individual will end up doing each and everything that you ask them to do, watching a video and watching a webinar, enrolling with you and everything. Done? I will teach and train you about this whole process step by step. But you will have to promise me one thing. You will today go turn on the notification of your Telegram. Pin iDistributepreneur South Telegram channel and stay updated about all the notifications that come into the group. Because the moment you miss any notification, any training, trust me, you skip that loop. And the moment you skip that loop, it makes it very difficult for a person to restart. It is not easy. Restarting is not easy. Restarting is even more tougher than starting. Trust me, because restarting demands more conviction and we are very weak. Getting it? Done? You all know how to learn now. 3 P's. You know what the profile, product and plan of the company is. You know how to research about the company. You know how to understand and explain everything in detail. Apart from that, you have to make it a rule that every single day, you will, before you sleep, you will check out iDistributepreneurs Instagram. You will check out Ashutosh Sir's Instagram. You will check out iDistributepreneurs YouTube and Sir's YouTube. You will also check out The Rich Podcast channel, where celebrities, politicians, your entrepreneurs, a lot of bureaucrats have been there. You will, even if you are not able to watch the podcast regularly, you must know about the people that come to the podcast. It will help you understand about the profile of the company in detail. And every single day when you are going to sleep, and if you have the entire profiling in mind, I am going to tell you something that nobody will tell you. It will help you in a way that you have not imagined. What way it is? The way is that you will become so confident about the company slowly and gradually that it will start reflecting in the way you explain the company to anyone. Because if every night you are sleeping with seeing the good points of iDistributepreneur, oh, our founder is chilling with so and so founder, our founder is going to meet such and such politician, you will have so many facts that will store in your mind that you will consciously not have to remember them every day. Your confidence about the company will adapt. I'm telling you, I was very weak at English. I come from a family where nobody speaks English. I was very, 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 very weak in English. Every night when I used to sleep, I used to Priyanka Chopra speaking English. Every night that I used to sleep, I used to only Priyanka Chopra, nobody else. Every night that I used to sleep, I used to watch her one video, any 5 minutes, 10 minutes video with her speaking. Today, most of the time when I speak, and if I'm speaking slowly, I see that I somehow sometimes speak and deliver like her, because that thing registered in my mind so well that I cannot clearly remember that when did I learn how to speak in English. I never learned it consciously. So give your brain that information that your brain requires and sleep with the most positive thing that you can. Got it? You all like today's training? You all think that there is a little change of thoughts. Is it there? Can you all promise me that I'll see you on the leaderboard? 1st of June to, I guess, 31st of October. 1st of June to October 31st is the qualification for national trip, international trip, and international premium trip. Aim for a qualification of 40 lakhs. We will end up minimum qualifying national trip. And trust me, guys, once you qualify the national trip, you go to the national trip with us, like how the Bali trip is going now. So when these people will go to the trip, there are exclusive videographers, cinematographers, photographers that go along. Drone shots and everything will be taken. So while all of these people and all of you guys will be enjoying, there will be people who will be personally shooting you, enjoying and living in that moment. Once you will receive that data and you will start making reels on that data, everybody who thought that you lost your mind when you thought that you will start making 1 lakh rupees in a month is going to come to you, say sorry, and say, do you have a promo code? Those 3 words. Do you have a promo code? Understanding? So life, life is very, very beautiful, guys. And we are working in an ecosystem wherein we cannot just transform our own lives, but we can transform the life of each and every individual that we're connecting with. You just have to feel genuine, be honest, and do it. Done? All the very best. Keep your hopes high. Keep your dreams clear. I'll see you in the next training, and I'm very, very excited right now to see you all on the leaderboard. All the very best. Don't forget to learn. I'll see you all again in the next training, 27th.